Namaste, I'm Amrita Sabat and we are live from the world's first Odisha GI store, Utkal Amrita. And firstly, I wish a very happy Sari Day to everybody out there. And we celebrate saris each and every day of the year. So you can see here, I'm wearing myself an original Ganjam Bomkai. So this is done in Chikiti of Ganjam district, and you can see these are beautiful motifs. I just thought I'll drape something quickly and I'll show you, because everything, all the sarees on our website are available at flat 25% off. It's the Santa 25 sale. It's been on since a while and we would love you to check out our sarees over there. Fabrics, there are new salwar sets, there are new stoles and dupattas, so there are a lot of stuff over there. But today I want to show you our newest Gopalpur Tussar sarees. Okay, so they are not yet up on the website. In case you want those right away, then you have to tell me in the DM. Let me start off with this lovely blue one. So here you can see there are these Om motifs. So I'm just going to open it for you. So you can see this nicely. It's a very soft and fine Gopalpur Tussar. So there are multicolor in here, Om. And then you can see the pallu is absolutely beautiful. So you can see there is this pallu in which there is Om as well as all the motifs such as Deepa, and there is Sankha, there is Padma. So if you see, then this is the yoga motif. So you can see that the Padma, within that there is the yoga pose. So this is actually the yoga sari, you can also say that. And we have Deepa, we have the Shankha as well as the Padma and the yoga. So here this is a very, very pretty one. So you can see, and if you want to get this, you can just send a DM. It's a very, very nice, and as well as colors. So all the festive and auspicious motifs are all woven here. This is the Jala technique. You can see how every motif is done through hand, and it takes a lot of time to do this in the Gopalpur cluster. So that is a GI tagged weave, Gopalpur Tussar. So okay, so this is the blue and red Om and yoga sari. Next we'll come to this lovely one. So here you can see this is a very soft and fine silk again. It is also Gopalpur Tussar and it has just arrived. We have not done the photography and not put up on the website yet. It will be up soon. So you can see. So these actually, when we say Kumbha, so Kumbha is normally very regular and very much streamlined across the border. But this is called Chogala. Chogala means the Kumbha is going haywire. It is going in different lengths and breadths. So you can see here, this is all Chogala motif, like Kumbha is done over here. And then you can see here the pallu. We look at the pallu. So the pallu has lovely bandha. So this is a whole chitta. So this is a jhoti chitta which is done, which is entirely in bandha. So you can see this huge work of bandha which is done. It is so pretty. So you can see the color is also a very different type of color, and it will look very good for all the occasions, be it daytime or nighttime. You can drape this and you can look your gorgeous best. So here this is a lovely Gopalpur Tussar sari in a sort of violet color with Chogala, or Kumbha is all going haywire, right? So now we will see this beautiful color sari. So you can see this is a lovely color, and this is also for all the festive and wedding and this season which is full of celebration. So you can actually drape something like this. So here this is the Kumbha which is more regular and in ikat form, and you can see this. Here you can see this is the pallu, which is really pretty. You can see this. So this is a sort of jala again, and it's very, very pretty work over here. See, this is really, really nice work. Everything is done by hand, and the blouse piece is also in pink color like the pallu. So you can see this is again very, very pretty one, and the color combination is actually what is really strikingly beautiful. So you can actually go for this. You just DM us and we will get back to you. And so here, this was the third one. Now we'll come to this blue. All the blue and the red. So this is looking so pretty. This is actually body bandha Gopalpur tussar. So it means that on the tussar, the tie and dye technique has been done all across the body. So you can see, and here there are two borders, like Scott border we can say. Scott means at the bottom there will be another broad sort of strip where they would have done the work. So you can see this is the pallu, and it's very, very nice work in the pallu actually. Something very unique which we found about this sari is not just it has Scott and ikat work, it also has these beautiful pallu work. So you can see here there is they have done the jala work, plus they have done here all the ikat also. So you can see like this we are calling chandrika. So this type of this sort of petal flower. So this chandrika motif is done as well on the anchal. So you can see here. So this is a really, really pretty one, and on draping it looks absolutely gorgeous. So you can see that this work is coming here, and this is very good for all the festive occasions. Like now even Makar Sankranti is coming in January, and even for Christmas. Like you can always go for this. It's something which is very lively and very nice. So here there are also tribals towards the lower Scott. So the upper Scott is having these wavy type of ikat, and the lower Scott is having all these tribal. And this is a beautiful border also. All flower like booties are done. And this is a very, very nice and beautiful work sari. It's something which is very different and very lovely. So now we have seen the blue. Now we'll come to one of my personal favorites. This is very much our Christmas color also. So we can celebrate with red. So this is a beautiful red, and it has a sort of lovely pattern here. All this work and huge pallu. So you can see this is a huge pallu, and it is the like original Ganjam Bomkail. See what I am wearing, that is a cotton, and inspired from here, the pallu is done in this sari. It is inspired from original Ganjam Bomkai motifs, and this is done in tussar. So you can see this is very, very pretty, and this is something which can be worn in all the special occasions, including for the bridal wear as well, because it has a very lovely work, lot of colors, lot of vibrancy in this sari. So you can see this, and towards the like on the body you find these beautiful Firbi Bomkai motifs, and you can see these sort of motifs. It does not have any kumbha or temple work, but it has these sort of smaller Dolabedi patterns on the borders. So this is what gives it a very, very elegant look. So in a way, this can be worn to all your functions, to all the unofficial or even official where you have to look your best. So you can always wear something like this, and this is a longer pallu. So maybe it will be a sort of double anchal. If you are a little bit shorter in height, it can work as a double anchal also. This is huge anchal work. So it also has a blouse piece which is running red. So this is our also Christmas sari. So red in color, bright and beautiful red. Now we'll look at this black. So It is the same original Ganjam inspired, but this is in black color. So you can see how lovely this is looking, because it is also having multicolor work all across. So you can see all the motifs and all, they are really beautiful. So you can see here. So you can actually contrast my black cotton. This is black cotton Ganjam Bomkai, which is actually, this has come like a double anchal almost, because the blouse piece is there towards the beginning of the sari. So that means the sari length is almost 6.5 meters. That is why this is coming like a double anchal for me, and I am 5 feet 10 inches tall. So you can imagine that this is coming much more length of anchal for me also. Similarly, this will also come more length of anchal, because the blouse piece is like still there in the sari. And here you can see this is having beautiful work all over. You can see these bird work and this sort of pasapali in different colors. Everything is like thoda work over here. You can see this is like painstakingly, each and every color is actually, they do thoda, one needle technique is done in order to get different color of, motifs across the pallu. So this is really pretty. And for your special occasions, for the weddings, for all the marriages and special office gatherings or non-official, so for everything, this is your go-to sari. It's so pretty, the tussar, and hand woven, so soft and fine tussar this is. So here, and then we have this lovely sari. So this is what we can call a body bandha Gopalpur tussar, because the whole body is actually done like ikat. So this sort of flower as well as the closing. So they have basically, the flower is having like 4 petals, and it is like an optical illusion, because you can see that a smaller flower and a bigger flower. So you can see the petals are not pronounced in this flower, but the petals are pronounced in this. So combining this all across the body, so it has created a sort of optical illusion effect, and it gives such a lovely vibrant look to this sari that it is just to be held, just to be admired. This so beautiful this is. And then this anchal is also so elegant. It is so elegant. So you can see here, yeah, so this has all sort of stripes. So you can see these are all multicolor stripes, and it goes with the colors on the border. So this is a sort of magenta color, and this is a sort of sky blue. So you can see here we have a yellow which gives a more vibrant look to the entire pallu. So here you can see a very beautiful Gopalpur tussar. So this is body bandha. So really nice. And this is winter. For winter you can wear this lovely tussar, and you can also go for all the functions, for all your special occasions in this. And we have lots more in our collection. I will just quickly run through because here we have actually kept, so these are all the tussars over here. You can see these are all the tussars. And then we have these lovely new cotton bomkais. We will probably show them to you via a reel, because these all have come freshly. So for example this. So these color with stripes, and then some new doll bomkai cottons have also arrived. So you can actually have a look at them. We are shortly uploading, plus we will do a reel on this also, so you can keep following us. So this is a black one. So this is a bomkai cotton. So you can see this, and you can also see all the, this is a wonderful Padam bomkai of blue and maroon. So this also, these all have just arrived, so we have just put them up. And see, these are some of the new Bomkai silks. So these are also up on the website. You can always order for all the different wedding and other occasions where these vibrant colors will really go well with the vibe. So here you can see this is a double border Bomkai. Such pretty ones. So you can always order from our website. You can apply the code Santa25 because this is a Christmas special which we have created, and it's on since a while. So these are all different colors, and this is a very pretty one. So yellow, and this is blue dolls. So you can see this, and yellow and pink. So here, and then this is another. See, this is a like triple color sort of thing, you know. So what you see here is a very unique design. So you can see the colors are very different. So from different angles, this sari will look to be of different colors. So you can see it will look mehendi green, it will look sky blue, and it will look pink also from different angles. This is a very unique Bomkai silk, and it's a wonderful addition to the wardrobe for the upcoming whatever your special functions would be. So here you can see, and then here are all our Sambalpuris. So a couple of beautiful Nabakotis have come. So we know that Madhuri had worn like this, and since then this has become a real craze. So apart from this, the Nabakoti which I had worn in the KBC, which was blue color Nabakoti, so that is also being woven now. So please, you'll remain in touch. Whenever it's ready, we'll definitely show that one also. So this is another one which has just arrived. So we just put this up. So this was there earlier, but it was over. So fresh pieces have come. And then you can see here, this is our another Nabakoti, which is again very pretty, very different, and more on the red side. So you can see a very good sari for the wedding and all the auspicious occasions also. Very pretty one. And these have just arrived. Even photo is not yet done. So I just thought we could just show them quickly in the live. So here you see. So everything, all of this is available. See, this is a unique orange border. So normally we see it with a red border, but here we have an orange border. And it's really nice to see this one. Like if you really look at the pallu also, it will look very different when it is draped. So you can see this, right? So everything, and this is another one which is having all the work done by the weavers. So you know, all the processes of weaving are actually shown in this sari. So this is something which is again very unique, which is done. So this is all ikat, an extremely beautiful work. All the weavers are working, so they are weaving here, and they are doing tie and dye here. So you can see that this is a very intricate, a masterpiece of a weave. So you can see this, and with the fish border. So again, that is something which is very lovely, unique. So yeah, so we have another, like see here you can see these are the fabrics which have come freshly. So you can see these are silks. These are actually silk fabrics. So you can see this also. This is having the Mayura feathers. So you can see this also. This is the matte silk fabric. Yes, the same matte sari which we had sent to Vidya Balan back in 2020. So here, this is a unique color which we have. So there is always lots to tell during every live. And I think I have shown you some of the latest pieces. And let's remain connected. Today is World Sari Day. I wish you all a very happy sari season for every day. And let's all remain connected. Please visit our website utkalamrita.com, and you can give your order over there and apply the code Santa25. So 25% off whenever you buy any sari, fabric or Sambalpuri salwar sets, as well as stoles, dupattas and even blouses. See, this is our blouses collection. So we have all this is ready made. So mostly they are put up on the website also, and these are arranged in the size. So we have like 34, 36 here. This is 38 and here is 40. So we have already done like Patachitra blouses also in silk. So you can actually have a look at our blouses section. Even there we have a 25% off. And we have curtains. Dhara Pathara Parda, that also. And we have Jodo, which is the men's dhoti and uttariya. That is also. So please have a look at our website and order whichever items you love. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas in advance. And let's see again in the next live. Thank you. Bye-bye.